This is a movie. This is a Flatiron Ski Club Christmas party. How do you like it?
Wonderful. It's all downhill.
Oh, it's good. Now, do you sing a little song?
I am totally tone deaf.
Oh,
I'm not asking.
no songs coming out of you? Okay, well, oh, here we go. Whoops, I screwed up.
We sing for you and I.
Come on.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Good group to take a video of. Can they all sing? Anything. This is a video, you know. So you have to talk.
Sir Tiny Dancer, lights on the highway.
Oh, good. Now we just got you on the club website.
Is this a video or is it just one shot?
That video.
Oh, that's not good.
This is really good.
It was a picture.
Look. So how do you folks all like the Christmas party, Flatiron Ski Club Christmas party?
Let's stop first. It was great.
Good. And Eric, how do you like it?
That's your video.
This is video. This is.
Sony. They were
I
hacked.
just had folks sing to the video.
I saw you doing the people over there.
Yeah. You know, we got to make people think that even though we have gray hair, we can still move.
I don't have gray hair.
No, I don't have gray hair either.
It's getting white.
Please, I'm now taking a movie of you. There's the Flatiron Ski Club going for it.
Ain't dead yet. Ain't dead yet.
Yes. Take that, boomers.